everyone, so this time let us talk about how to write scope and delimitation of the study. Okay, so how to write scope and delimitation or limitation of the study. So bago yan, alamin muna natin anong pinagkaiba ng delimitation sa limitation. Delimitation is an identified weakness of the study. It is written in chapter 1 and in methodology section, while limitation is those beyond the researcher's control, and it is written in the final section, specifically on the results and discussions. Okay, now moving forward, punta tayo doon sa scope and delimitation. So, scope explains the parameters kung hanggang saan lang. Now, dito kayo mag-uumpisa. The scope of the study will be, then this study will focus on, this study will cover, the study will consist of, okay, most of the time, dyan nag-uumpisa yung scope. So, kung gagawa na kayo ng scope niyo, pili na lang kayo kung alin dyan yung gagamitin nyo. Okay, next is our delimitations. Remember, yung delimitations natin is our boundaries. So, mag-uumpisa tayo sa statement na this study will be limited to, the study will not cover the. Okay? Okay, now take note of this. Ano ba yung mga importanteng information na kailangang makikita sa scope and delimitation? Una, the general purpose of the study. Pangalawa, yung important details. Pangatlo, population, target respondents, the sample size. Pang-apat, geographical location or the setting. And lastly, your duration or research timeline or limit. Okay, for example, our research title here is the DepEd Prescribed English Textbooks and Assessment. So, yung scope and limitation natin is ganito. This study will focus on assessing the DepEd prescribed textbook in English. The primary subjects of this research study will consist of English teachers in elementary and junior high school of the school year 2023-2024. The respondents will be limited to 10 identified English teachers in Kalyong Integrated School, Kalyong Landan, Pulumulok, South Cotabato. The participants will be purposely selected by referring to their demographic profile, highlighting their educational attainment and number of years in teaching English. On the other hand, the teacher's assessment on the DepEd prescribed textbooks will determine the status of the textbooks.